Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. The first thing we need to do is start MySQL shell. We do this with the MySQL sh command. In this demo, I'm connecting to a local MySQL instance and connecting with a user named Scott. We are also connecting directly to the schema named MySQL_shorts. To access the document store API, we need to run MySQL shell in JavaScript mode. Fortunately, this is the default mode when MySQL shell is started. To create a document collection in MySQL document store, we use the create collection method. In this example, we create a new collection named collection_demo. When we create a new collection in MySQL document store, a MySQL table is created on the back end. We're going to look at the structure of this table, but since the rest of our examples use raw SQL, we're going to switch to SQL mode in MySQL shell. We do this by running the command \SQL. When we are in SQL mode, we can run SQL commands more easily. To see the table structure for the collection we just created, run the command describe collection_demo. We can see that, by default, the table has 3 columns. Doc, which uses the JSON data type and is where our JSON documents are stored. _ID, which is the primary key for the table. And _JSON_schema, which also uses the JSON data type and is used to validate the schema of the JSON docs we are storing. Because our JSON documents are stored in a MySQL table using the JSON data type, we can run queries against this data using native JSON functionality in MySQL. For the rest of our examples, we're going to use an existing collection named restaurant. In this example, we are returning the value of the name property of the JSON document, where the cuisine property value is bakery. We are ordering results by name and only returning the first 5 results. We can specify properties of JSON objects by using the shortcut --, and providing a dot-delimited path to our property using $ as the document root. This shortcut syntax is the same as using JSON extract inside of JSON unquote. The results show a column named name that holds the name property values from our documents. In this next example, we're going to show how to access child properties in our JSON documents. We are concatenating some values from the address property to create a string that contains the address information. To specify the building property of the address property, we use $.address.building. We would use similar syntax to get the street and zip code properties of the address property. The results show us an easier to read address in the address column. In the last 2 examples, we used fairly basic queries to extract simple values from our JSON documents. But what if we wanted to get the average score for each bakery? The scores are stored in a property named score inside of an array named grades at the document's root. We can use the JSON table function to populate a virtual table with the value from the array contained in the grades property. We can then return the average of these scores and return the results sorted with the highest grades first. As we can see, Palumbo Pastry Shop is the highest rated bakery in our data. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.